Hi my people. Now good morning or good afternoon, depend on where una wan watch this video from. If today na una first time wey una wan come across this channel, una no forget to subscribe, to like and to comment below. Turn up the notification bell so that anytime when I put video, e go dey sound for una phone. So my people, I bring out this video towards a message to a Atiti and wetin be that woman name? Sorry guys, I don't remember her name, but if I remember, I go call her name. Asaboro. So she now they talk her own part of what really happened. She no even think and say a Atiti don't first saga her before, don't first insult her, but she stand for the truth. And now wetin we really want for the truth. When you stand for the truth go always dey give you good things. But not be say because the man don't stagger you won't come because of that hatred come just scatter the truth. You go come get as e be, because I dey look at some of the presenters for social media. Now hatred they say the judge matter, they no go judge am to the real fact just because say this one don't tell am bad thing. So instead of them to talk for the right thing, the truth, they go come dey turn am upside down, which is not good. I just like wetin Ayemiomomessagetomonicaambrose talk. I like her judgment. I like the way she stand for the truth. She no even think and say, this man don't fair insult me, insult my children, insult me, in fact even call me names. She no even think and go there. The only thing wey she just do say, make me sef still stand for the truth, make I talk the truth of this matter. So my people, now so it dey be. They say really when you say the truth about something, the truth could ever stand for you no matter what. So I just love her, and I say make I bring this video for us, make I analyze am, so now make we sef still hear wetin she really talk concerning this issue about a Atiti and Asaboro. So I go put this video, me sef go see the analyzer for background, my people. So I go put am make we sef see the watch am, because the matter e get as e be. That is truth. This is painful. Naim. Now love wey Atiti get for the lady, now make him do wetin he do. I see they continue to talk am. Now the love wey Atiti get for her, now make him do am. But people don't understand. They go feel say maybe na joking matter or na joking something, but not be joke. Because the way me they see the thing, the way pain a Atiti, you get as e be. Because I see video where a Atiti do concerning Ajebo. So my people, I dey hear when Ajebo and him wife they talk, say they don't drive the girl away. Wetin una again at the return? Wetin una again say this woman will be say this man like now una don't drive am. Wetin una again? Una no gain anything. The thing no give joy. E no go give you joy or peace. E no go make better thing come block your way, or make things not come your way. E no go stop am. So when I dey watch the video that day, I dey hear wey be say you and your wife dey use am dey talk and say, hey, una don't drive the woman comot, una don't drive am, make a Atiti see how e go take do. All those kind of thing, not good. Wetin come be your gain? You no gain anything from it. Because the woman called for to make peace. But me, I'll still talk to the woman. If the woman really truly love a Atiti, you understand, the woman for not just come on like that, and she for not even listening to what people they talk in the first place. She for not listening. she for stay, she for stand, no matter what people talk. I know say e no easy, but the person wey me dey blame pass here na Atiti and Asaboro. Na two of them I dey blame, because if they really want this relationship to stand, they for still stand put. No mind wetin people dey talk, because people just dey there to talk, people dey there to spoil your mind, people dey there to spoil your relationship. But when two of una stand say una love una self, definitely everything must go on well, everything must go on fine. So me, I no understand this matter of a thing wey be say Asaboro na come dey run for the matter. Understand, my people?
You stupid! And my friend is my friend, the man Atiti. That man change social media. If Atiti don't know it, man, but when I know the secret, forget Atiti insult me yesterday, insult me, then fuck him. I don't give a damn.
Thank you, my sister.
I will say the truth when I see one.
God bless you.
Is Asaboro not beautiful? Is Atiti not human?
Very handsome.
Listen. Any more share or share. Did you understand what I'm saying?
That is it.
I've been preaching about this same particular thing always. Let me tell you. Why is the water? Unless when your keke will have you where no keke will talk.
I don't see her for real ground, my sister. Not just talk am. Me don't see her for real ground. No, not so.
Listen, let me tell you. Any reasonable woman can fall in love with anybody, and any reasonable man can fall in love with any woman.
Of course. Now, woman be na blood they walk.
On social media.
Okay. God will bless you, my sister. If really Asaboro loves Atiti, all these things will not happen. You know, go say because of this, a person drive you come on. Atiti is very handsome, no matter what. Let's call it spade. Can't let your friend just come and scatter your relationship just like that. Let her come they talk to you anyhow. You know? In a relationship, remove friend and family come out. First of all, concentrate on your relationship. When you build that relationship, then you can stand to even stand. That is it. Now what does she not understand? For a man to call, the whole world don't hear am. Say they toast woman. At least you're not supposed to just neglect that man just like that. That is it.
I was listening to a video where Asipa also platform a blogger name. Asaboro got it one. Asaboro, you are a nice woman.
Very nice.
You don't allow any social media presenter.
God will bless you.
To bring you down.
And I watch a video when she said she don't return Atiti money to her, to Atiti and me. He don't return the money to Atiti back. It's not good.
Go ahead and move ahead.
Move.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Or what that's ayemiomomoliv?
I tell ya. That is it. The man not do bad thing. The man love you. That's why he come to you. You understand? He not be like other people before they go talk to woman. They feel they beat around the bush. They feel they run up and down. But him no. He just go straight to the point. Yeah, Jonathan's wife not go school. No, and I see the rate in today. That thing still they give money. Now everybody think they do comedy till today. You know, she not go school, but later she can't go adult school. God will bless you. Not be the topic now talk which day for you. That is it. Me get some kind of things when me not know. I go ask my husband. He go put me through. Person know they too know reach. You know go talk say you know past person. You must look for person where go put you through. He get some kind of things that no go feel understand. I no understand that thing. I go ask. He go put me through. You know me say because say I know I see person where put me through come be say that this thing. No. That is it. He's man enough now.
Atiti asked me out. You know that I will every have a equal. Only man yama where of one more says me. If you are Atiti. Of one more say me, no more says me. Can be Atiti's wife tomorrow.
Yeah, of course. That's all. Oh, God bless you. He come like say I hear this thing. Now I can't talk that my topic yesterday. I be there before yesterday, sorry, 3 days ago. He be like say I know say this thing they come up. Now I talk about that topic. Nothing, the thing just come into my heart. And as I talk the thing, I can't see jam Mommy Yore CD. Mommy Yore video. Where be say she do her own too. That is why I can't play the thing for background. Never you commonize anybody. Don't put anybody. Don't look say because that person not go school. You just take your hand throw away that person. Asaboro never late oh, you never late. Go and turn the hand of the clock, turn am back. If you really love that man, if you know say not be for joke, you are here for sincerity. You never late. Atiti, if you know say you still love her, he never late. That man where you be at that first time when you dey bold, you fit still go do am. Don't let any woman use you do yeye Atiti. If you see say she not gree for you, move ahead. They know they take hand or head they knock for ground. If you know say she no wan gree for you again, move ahead. God go give you another woman wey be say go better pass that one. The one wey be say go dey beautiful, wey go fine pass that one sef. You go even dey imagine am.
Don't deceive yourself.
That is it.
You guys should not deceive yourself.
That is it.
I don't know what is talking through me.
God bless you, my sister. God will bless you. The fact say a party don't saga you before, and he see saga you, see the saga, you see the curse you, and you see the truth. You stand by the truth and you say it out. God will bless you for that. Thank you. Okay. That is it.
I don't know what is talking through me, but I'm telling you this.
That is it. Now what me they talk now? Don't let anybody push you. Don't let anybody. If it be say a party now your destiny husband, now we God don't keep wait for you. That is why the man, that is why just like God pushed the man to come talk to you in the first place. Now you come because of people, can't take your hand throw away your destiny husband. My sister, now advice I will give you kindly like sister too. You know go because of people, what do people talk, you go use and take away your hand, your destiny away. Swallow your pride, swallow those pride of yours. And if you because me I see you say you be person will not get pride, but swallow round. That is you not be person where be say the pride in your body, but swallow that pride and move ahead. If not to call at it, Timon come back is even better. Well. Now fine we want chop. No be fine one chop. The most important thing say the man pocket full. You think of your future and your children future. Na that one you go dey think. Forget about fine. Who fine help this time around? Fine no help anything. The only thing wey be say you go dey think of na man wey go fit put things for you for ground, wey go fit help you help your children in future. Na you dey look, no be now. You go dey put fine, dey put fine for face. Yeah, thank you. Okay. All of them don enter house. Most of them don become single mothers because of fine. I dey fine boy. You just remind me now for this story. Thank you. Thank you. That make you go see many women. You go see they go write rest in peace for them. Because why? They follow fine boy. Now they follow many women now. We be so that they see them now. They write rest in peace for them now. Where they not there again. Now because of fine. I remember one of my friends. That one I dey tell am that time if she's dey selective. She dey select well. When it comes to aspect of men, she dey select. I come call her, tell her say, come my friend, life not be like this. Oh, if you continue this way, na so you go remain. No, other of your mates they go pass you. You understand? They go pass you. You go. That is, you go come like say you wan start for square one. By that time, na me and she dey. We never marry. We never even think of say I wan marry, not to talk of I wan born. You know? I can't call her, talk to her. She say make she go carry any hammer. I don't say me go carry any hammer, but all the same, you need to choose one. Stop selective. Some people they say this one no fine. Na so this one get sky. Na so he do this one. Na so this one happen to her. No. At the end of it, now present I can't even see my husband so. Now in present I born my first pikin. Now present I born my second pikin. I still call her, still organize somebody for her. She say na so she dey complain. Do this one. Say, babe, the only thing wey you go do, put this person together. That is, make this person dey okay. If you put this person in the right way, this person definitely everything must work out for her. You understand? So I no understand. At the end of it, I can't even see talk to her the way I want to talk to her. At the end of it, I no come now she waka again. Before I come see the year now saying she don't marry, don't born pikin. You understand? So for this life of 18, if we women we dey try to look up fine boy, we dey find fine boy, we want that fine boy to come and make us dey okay. You know, Jen, that is why many women now, they be single mother, many don't go 6 feet, many not even dey alive again. Things they happen to them. That is why we dey see many things now. Because why? They go to wrong hand. They have made a lot of mistakes. A lot of mistake. So we women now, we need to open up, we need to wise up. Let us not make a mistake. No let person advise you into the wrong place where you're not supposed to go. If you feel say that person na your destiny, if you feel say that person your mind carry am, and you don't pray, you don't ask, you don't know what you want to do, they don't tell you say go ahead. Everybody, and most of the videos where they watch, I dey look am, everybody they talk to you. Asaboro say may you go ahead, not because of say Atiti not go school, a party not do this one. No, the man is okay, he's perfectly fine, and he's hardworking. The man they work. Okay. That is it.
Asaboro, don't be ashamed. Atiti is a man.
Very, very, very well.
He's handsome. It's okay. Don't allow anybody or any commenter to intimidate you. You see those people that are saying, Asaboro, I say, I'm so disappointed at you and this. Whenever they come to your platform and write rubbish, block them off.
Chase them away. Because those commenters and callers, now then they cause problem. When you not listen to any of them, you go see say your life will move on. Go leave her there.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully